Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Lemon Kolyan. Today we will learn how to make ABHA card in mobile. First of all, you have to download Arigyo Setu app. I have video on how to use Arigyo Setu app. Uh, I will give the link in description. So let's start without delay. Let's start. First of all, you have to download Arigyo Setu apps. After opening the app, you have to go ABHA option. Then enter Aadhaar number. OTP come. After enter the OTP, greetings will come as soon as OTP enter. You have to make a ABHA address, a unique address you have to make. Enter the OTP. Congratulations. Your Ayushman Bharat health account has been created successfully. You have to make a ABHA address, a unique address. And you have to make PIN number. You can download your ABHA card by touching the QR code. can download your ABHA card by touching the QR code. Download image or download PDF, your choice. Hopefully you love watching our video. Subscribe my YouTube channel to see such video like this, and also like, share as much you can. Thank you.